Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness Lifestyle, and today I will be showing you some jewelry from Express, and these are most of them are really old, like 8-9 years old jewelry, because before I was like shopping at Express a lot before, but especially the jewelry. But I don't think after that I've gone and got anything much at Express as far as the jewelry is concerned. So a lot of the ones that I'm going to show you are pretty old, like like 8-9 years, some 7 year. I don't remember exactly, but they are pretty old. But I have seen that a lot of the jewelry that from Express that I've got, I've really held on good because they are that old, but you will see how good condition they are in. And again, they're not like something that I wear every day, or I don't wear every day those jewelry, and I haven't worn for a long time actually, some of them. So let me get on with it. I have like kind of put them right here so I can just show it to you guys. Let me show you the most old jewelry, or my initial jewelry that I had got, and this has really held on so well. I don't really wear it. Sometimes in parties and stuff, I used to wear it, but like not all the time. So this is a beautiful set. As you can see, I don't really see anything has happened to this. It's really stayed in like a very good condition. Is a necklace, and it is like the pearl with what is this? These beads are like kind of I don't know if they're plastic or metallic, but like that black metal kind of. They're not like circle, kind of that diamond, shape kind of. Is that diamond, like the octagon shapes on it, and it's really pretty. And I have not seen any shine or anything. Nothing has happened to it. Like, it's really held well. Really pretty. So, and the metal here, it has this white metal and the black metal together. Like, you'll see like the chain is like two strings of like white metal and then black metal too. So it's like a mix of both. So I love this. And this came with these studs, like just a simple pearl studs at that time. And these pearl studs, I do wear them a lot. So pretty. And I do wear them a lot. If you see my jewelry collection, you'll see I have a lot of pearl. I love pearl. I love pearl on me. So this is the one that I usually always wear, and most of the time. So that came with this set. And then, so it's like a double layer. There's like a hook right there. And yeah, there is this thing that says Express on it here, and it's really pretty. So it's like double, and it looks cute. So I do love this. So that's my first one. And then, and same time, I got another set because I liked both of them and I wasn't sure which one I needed to get. And these are my favorite chains from Express, just because nothing has happened to them like for 9 years now, and nothing has happened to them. They're really in good condition. This one, now this is again a mix of the black metal with the white, or the silver with that black metal. But if you see, the beads are pearl and like I don't know, like a pinky bronzy beads with the pearl beads. It's not even pearl actually, it's kind of pink pearl. Yeah, pink pearls. Yeah. So it has like pink pearls, and then little more darker blush color. Yeah, I think that might be the right word. There's like these are like light pink, and then these are like blush kind of, so darker. So it's really pretty. I really love them. And same type. And this has another that didn't have these things. This also has this glass pieces here, glass circles here like this. So This is really pretty. I think this, yeah, in one of the Instagram pictures from long back, maybe 2016 New Year or something, you would see this on my photo there. It's really pretty. So the pink, and this had the matching earrings, which are again like that blush pink color earrings. Studs, beautiful pearly studs. So I really love these two chains a lot, and I sparingly use them, but I really love them. So these were, this was like really my first kind of Express jewelry stuff that I had got from Express. And then I had got one more set which I don't have like a part of it, because I gave it to my sister. Like, she had liked the chain that came with it. So I had given it to her, and that was part of, let me show you, these bracelets actually. And I gave her one bracelet, so I have one here because I had 4 of these bracelets, and I've given her one. And if you see this bracelet, and you see this in a lot of my videos, that's why, because I had this from a long time. If you see, this one has become a little bit darker, if you see, than these two, because these two I sparingly use, I keep them. This one I use this all the time, like kind of like every day when I'm going out, I kind of wear this whenever I need to wear something silvery. So so this, I feel like the color has gone down a little bit on this, but these not so much. So the set, like the necklace that came with it and the rings, that one I gave it to my sister, and I'd taken it to India once and she liked it, so I'd given her that one. So to match this, I got this chain. This is not from Express, and you will see this is really flimsy chain, but this one I don't like. It's not like a proper store. It was kind of like this family general stores that are there everywhere. So this was a store where you can even find jewelry and stuff, jewelry and makeup and stuff. So I found this which kind of would really match my bangle, so that's why I got this from that store. But this one is really flimsy, like it's hollow. I mean, this is hollow too, but you can see the quality is there in this. The quality is not there. It just it's very flimsy here. If I press on it, I think it'll go down. But I liked the way it is. It has magnet here, like that, like a hollow, like that. You just put this inside it, and it just sits. So I just got this just so that I can match with this and wear sometime. So this is not Express necklace though. So then let me show you the other one. These earrings, these were one of my favorite earrings, which you will see in lot of my old pictures. I don't think I have them on Instagram. They're all on my Facebook. But this is one of my favorite earrings. I love them. Hanging ones, and you would have seen them. I don't know, you would have seen in some of the video maybe. So I love this. And then these are all very old, guys. Then I got this one. This is a little bit not that old. This I had got few years back. And where is the thingy? Okay, here. So this is also like this double chain, and this, I think it was on sale or something, so that's why I got it. It's really pretty. And again, all the Express chains you will see, they'll have that Express tag on there, of like the small, whatever that is, that tag here that says Express, the logo I guess on that. So this is like a double chain, real pretty. And let me show you up close. This I had got in order to match some blue earrings and stuff that I had got. So this has like the blue thingy, and what else it has? Yeah, it has that stone again, like the white stone here, and then just hollow designs kind of. Yeah, like diamond shape, and then like a lock shape with the blue in it. So I thought this was cute. Again, it's a double chain. And for a long time I'm really not wearing jewelry that much at all when I go out nowadays. I used to wear jewelry a lot before. This, which kind of, if you see, the color has faded on this one though. And this is like, I'm trying to see the joint there, like this. So this is kind of that double, I don't know what to say, like it has this is like a black colored and black metal colored, and then there is white, silvery, and then golden. So there is like 3 of them in all different combination like that. So that way you can pair it with any kind of ring, you know, like any of these 3 rings. And I could not find the ring that I had got with this. I couldn't find it, but I think I have something else that I can pair this with, but the one that came with it, I couldn't find that. So it's pretty. So it's like this coin chain, like really pretty. And again, you will see on the top, you will see the Express, the logo on that chain there. So I love this. And I was trying to remember if I had any more or anything. I could not find some stuff. Some are missing. Some I probably would have given to my sister. So that's really very old stuff. And then this one is also from Express, and it's really good quality. I wore this a lot. This bracelet, and it is again like that. And then close that, and it's really pretty with all the stones there. And this probably is not that old, maybe like 4 years old or something, 4 or 5 years old, but this is really pretty. Then the next one, I'm trying to do it fast. There's this bracelet, and this one I honestly can't remember if I got this from Express. I think I did, but I'm not able to really remember if I got this from Macy's or Express. I didn't see any Express thing here, so I'm really not sure, but I'm going to show this anyway. So this is like that golden color chain, so it goes very well with my ethnic dresses and all. So I love this bracelet, and it's very thick, so I love that. And then I think I had showed you another similar one like this, but not of this good quality, from Burlington, that I had showed long back once in some dress styling video maybe. And then I got this one, these hoops that you've seen everywhere. I think this I had got from there. Yeah, because I have some hoops also from Charlotte Russe that I've got, and from I've even got from Shop Nissa some hoops, I think. Yeah, so I have lot of hoops. I've not really wore all of them, but I have lot of hoops because I love hoops. And then this one, which is actually, this probably is the most recent one, like just a simple necklace, and really pretty. Yeah, I don't think I wore, no, I think no. Yeah, most recent in the sense, it is probably like 2 years back I got this from Express. So this is so pretty, silvery one. So that one. And then what else is there? I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. And then what I do for like my small ones, if you see like, oh yeah, this one, I forgot to show this one. Now this was a set I had got, which is kind of my favorite. It's come a long way and I love it. These rings, you see the back of the ring, you will see the metal piece is kind of worn out. So, but really pretty. And it's come a long way with me, long way. I really love it. And I don't know, it still looks good. I don't see any stone fallen off or anything. So it's really pretty. But if you see the back here, you'll see that, you know, it's become a little bit yellowish in the back. That metal piece has become yellowish. Same thing I think with the chain. The chain that I'm wearing here is that's also was with it. So this matches these. And then if you see, this is looking much better, like it's not tarnished that much, but this chain is completely tarnished. It looks completely like dark right now. So the chain is completely tarnished. So I guess it's because of the sweat and water and stuff that this, you know, because it's around the neck here. But this, nothing has happened. It really has stayed good. So maybe I should get a different chain and then put this on there. But yeah, because I can like change it to something else. So that's it guys from Express. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for much more things coming up. I have a lot of things in line, lot of videos that I've recorded, I've not uploaded yet. And then even I have some recent Express clothing that I've got that I'm going to do a video on, clothing accessories. So that will be coming up soon. But so before that, I just wanted to kind of do some of the old jewelry that I could recognize and find that they are from Express. Those are the ones I was showing you guys. And then I want to show you a little hack I've done. This is just like an eyeshadow box from Essence actually. But what I do is, you know, for the hole up here, the small ones that I put, what I have is like I have each one pair in each category. Like I have pearl, I have this stone one, then I have this black metal one, like the black stone one, black pearl, I have even blue, I think. So what I do is, those things are very hard for me to find when I'm like rushing out, right? Or if you keep it in somewhere in tiny spaces, you can't, like they're so tiny that they'll get lost and you can't find them. So that's why I put them in this and keep all the time. So what I do is, you can see that I have like all different ones. I have a gold color in here, I have pearl one, and okay, let me close it and show. And then I have like the black stone one and all that, so the tiny ones, so I keep them here. So depending on whatever I'm wearing that day, then I take one of that off and then I put it on the top one, the studs. So that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye guys, take care.